Good morning, students. Good to see you all here again. And I hope so you all are doing well. So, students, today I explained about your second lesson. And I have given you some homework and I hope so you have completed all your work. So, today I will explain again. Okay. Then I will recheck your question answer. Okay. Let's see. The children struggled to grandma. Children were close to grandma. It was a story time and grandma had a lot of interesting story to share. And it was time for story. Okay. Then the children told to grandma, I know you have lots of interesting story to tell. Can you share one of the forest story? Who told? Ishan told to grandma. Can you tell one of your favorite forest stories? Grandma told, yes, I can tell. Then Neil said, tell about the tiger. When Ishan heard this, then he said, no, tell us one of your elephant stories. What Ishan told to grandma? Tell one of your elephant stories, okay? Like the one about the newborn elephants. What was the story about? He was talking a newborn elephant's calf that made you fall. Okay? Or the one about the wild elephants that rubbed it. Okay? That wild animal just had make them afraid. Back against your house and you thought it was an earthquake. And these elephants were against your house and you thought it was earthquake. Earthquake means trembler. Okay? Temblor. Okay? Where you were very frightened. These children told to grandma, when you are afraid, tell that story. Okay? Then grandma was thinking for a while. After thinking, then she told, oh yes, I have. Well, I will tell you an elephant story which will show you how intelligent these animals are. Okay? What grandma told to children? I will tell you an story and these animals are very intelligent. They are also very organized and caring creatures. And these elephants are very protective and caring creatures. Okay? Now this story is starting. Okay, student? Long ago, when your grandpa was a forest officer, grandma told, this story is a long years back when your grandpa was in a forest officer. Okay? Who was forest officer? Children's grandpa. Okay? He was sent to Bengdubi. Where he sent? In Bengdubi. Okay? It is a forest outpost. What is the meaning of outpost? A small camp. Grandpa went to Bengdubi for a small camp which is near to Siliguri. Okay? And what that place called? At the foothills of the Himalayas. Okay? Where that place was? Siliguri at the foothills of the Himalayas. Okay? This area is known as the Dorers, which means door to the mountain. Student, underline this line, okay? Underline up to Dorar, which means mountains. Okay? So what is the means of doors? It means door to the mountains. Okay? Which way? Going to the mountain. What is the meaning of door? You know. Okay? He was sent there to check out what the people living there call the elephant menace. Why he sent there? To check what the people living there the called elephant menace. That place was called elephant menace. Okay. Grandpa went to check there. Okay. Let's see what another paragraph says. What this meant was that wild animals were wandering into rice field and eating up the crops at night. These elephants was eating rice at the night. Okay. Which elephants? Wild elephants. Okay. The night guards tried to scare off the hungry beasts, but the elephants were not so easily frightened. In that night, guard means security. Okay. This security made them to scare. To whom? These all elephants. Okay. Then what they do? But the elephants were not so frightened. Then what happened when they were not frightened? Your grandpa went out to inspect the place. He found that a large part of the forest had been cut down. Okay. Then his grandpa went to look some another place where he can live nicely. Okay. And he found that a large part of the forest had been cut down. When he went to see that place, then what happened? Grandpa saw that many of the trees has cut down in the forest. Only a very narrow stretch of the old forest areas remained. Only few place was there in the forest they can remember. Stretch means a piece of land. Okay. And the elephants lived there. And these all elephants were living in that place. Elephants need a big place to live in and also lots of food. What elephants need? A big place to live and lots of food to eat. The people had taken these away, but people had kept them separate. How he kept them separate? He cut all the trees which was in the forest. Okay. Now here is asking one question. Okay, student. Now you have to think and you have to answer them. How would you feel if your home was taken away and you didn't have enough to eat? Here is saying, if some people will come and he tell, leave this place and go from here, then what you will do, student? In that time you don't have to eat also. What you will do? Think and then answer. Okay. Let's see what children give answer. Neil said to grandma, very bad, grandma. This story was so sad. But what happened? By thinking this all, grandmother grandma told to children, well, the wild elephants kept getting hungrier and hungrier. But these wild animals were getting too much hungry, and they also became very angry also. When elephants was not getting food, he became too much hungry. Once they even chased a man, and once he played with a man. And what was his role? Let's see how he played with a man. Down the forest road and broke a wall of a house in search of food for their little ones. Then what happened? When he was getting angry, he broke a wall. Why he broke the wall? Because he needs food and he was searching for their little one also. Because they have their family also. So that's why these elephants broke a wall. Where that was placed? Not far from the village. This place was not far from the village. There was an old granary. This was very old place where all the farmers was keeping all their grains. Okay? Where the farmers stored their grains till they could sell it to a merchant. All farmers will keep their grains to a house until they may not sell to the merchant. Okay? Then what happened? Let's see. Early one morning, an elephant, clearly the leader of the herd, appeared at the granary. In the morning, an elephant came and appeared near the granary. With whom? With all the groups. And who was the leader? With leader came with his group and he appeared at the granary. Then what happened? After looking around for a while, it returned to its herd. Okay. He looked surrounding area and then he went to meet with his groups. Okay. A little later, two men who were on their way to the granary. Okay. Few minutes later, two men was coming in the same way to see their granary. When they were coming, they saw the herd move towards the granary in an almost military order. Okay? When military will give order, then these all elephants will come and then he will search food, and if they get, it will eat, otherwise they will go back. Then what happened? Let's see. Then the alarmed man speedily climbed a banyan tree. When these two men make a loud voice to keep them away, but what happened? These elephants were stand at the same place. Then they become frightened. And when they became afraid, what they do? Suddenly they climb a banyan tree. Who? People. Okay? These two people climbed on a banyan tree and hide themselves. Why they hide themselves? If animals will see, then make them trouble. That's why they both climbed on a banyan tree. Okay? Among its leafy branches, how he hide themselves? With leaf, which all the in the branches. Okay? They watch the elephants, and after climbing the banyan tree, what they do? They were watching the elephants. Okay? Let's see another paragraph. The wall of the granary were thick and strong. The granary walls was so fat and strong. But the elephants seemed to have a plan. But when these elephants was watching these all, they made a plan. One elephant went around it almost as if inspecting it. So what happened? One elephant came out, okay, to visit. Why he came to visit? Let's see. One of the largest of the herd then took up a position at the corner. Then largest of the herd, okay, these groups of animals, they came at the corner and he took a place, okay, and he stand near the granary and started pounding. What is the meaning of pounding? Beating, okay, and he started to break the wall. With whom? With tusk, okay, with his teeth. Just he was trying to break the wall, and some was using their legs also. When it was tired, another took its place and then another. So when one elephant will get tired, then second elephants will come, and when second elephants will get tired, then third will come. So same like one by one they will come and they will break a wall. Then what happened? Until they may not break several bricks, okay. An opening was made and soon enlarged. When they had made a big hole enough for an elephant to enter, the herd divided itself into groups of 3 or 4, since only a few could find rooms inside. What is the meaning of enlarged? Made larger or bigger, okay. So these elephants broke the wall and they made a big hole, okay. Then what happened making after big hole? They started to go one by one. An elephant went to enter, okay. The herd divided itself. Then one of the elephant, they divided itself into 3 or 4 groups, okay, since only a few could find rooms inside, because that place was so small. So that's why they made 3 or 4 groups, okay. Then one by one each group entered. What they do? One by one with his groups they will go. Why he will go? To eat food. And what was his food? Let's see. The granary to feed on the paddy. Paddy means dhan, field, paddy field, okay. When one group had eaten all it could, okay, when first group will eat, then he will come out, they will come out. Its place was taken by another. Then second group will go. One of the elephants stood sentinel at the distance. One of the elephants understood. Oh, one guard is standing at the distance. Then what happened? After all the elephants had feasted to their fullest, then one by one these all groups had eaten all paddy. Then what they do? The sentinel trumpet loudly. Then this guard made a loud voice, okay. Trumpet means turi, we can say horn, okay. The sentinel made a loud horn and the herd rushed off into the forest, and these all elephants went into the forest, okay. I hope so now you understood, okay. Then Isan told to grandma, wow grandma, this story was so nice. Just like an army raid, and it was sudden take place by attack, okay. Raid means a sudden attacks on a place. Suddenly some attack came on a place. Grandma said, yes. As I told you before, elephants are very intelligent creatures. What do you think, students? These elephants are intelligent? Yes, these elephants are very intelligent. And what they do? Also remember that they are very caring. What they do? Caring, protective, and completely unselfish animals too. Okay, student? Elephants are very caring animals. Okay? If you do wrong, they will get angry. Okay? So this was your story. Now take out your question. Now you can recheck your answer. Okay? If you have written wrong, you can correct them. Your first question was, what sort of story did the children request grandma to tell? Write your answer. The children requested grandma to tell them a forest story. Write your second question. What animals did the two children want to hear a story about? Write your answer. Neil wanted to hear a story about a tiger. Ishan wanted a story about the elephant. Calf that once made grandma fall are the wild elephants that rubbed its head against grandma's house. See your another question. What adjective did grandma use to describe the elephants? Write your answer. Grandma described the elephants as intelligent. INTELLIGENT. Organized. ORGANIZED. Organized, caring. CARING. Caring, protective. 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 And completely. 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 Unselfish. 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 Creatures. CREATURES. Okay? See your another question. Your fourth question is, why was grandpa sent to the Dorrards? Write down your answer. Grandpa was sent to the Dorrards to check on the elephant's menace. Okay? See your fifth question. Your fifth question is, what had the people taken away from the elephants? Write your answer. Elephants need a big forest to live in and lots of food, but the local people had taken away both from the elephants. Write your sixth question. What did the elephants do to get inside the granary? Write your answer. The elephants approached the granary in military style and inspected it. Full stop. Then one of the largest elephants proceeded proceeded to break the granary. Full stop. When it got tired, another elephant took its place. This continued till the granary wall was breached. Breached. Okay, student, right? See your another question. Your seventh question is, what did Ishan compare the elephant's entry into the granary with? Write your answer. Ishan compared the elephant's entry into the granary with an army raid. See your last question. Your last question is, why did the herd divide themselves into groups of 3 or 4? Write your answer. The elephants were in 2 large groups to enter the granary all at once. Hence, they formed smaller groups of 3 and 4 and took turns to enter the granary. Okay, student? Write your answer this question. You can recheck also. Write your first question in your copy. And if you have found answer, you can recheck them also. Okay? First question is, why were the elephants very angry? Write your answer. The elephants were angry because they did not have anything to eat. See your second question. How did the herd of elephants approach the granary? Write your answer. The elephants saw that the walls on the granary were thick and strong. They had a plan. Full stop. One elephant went around it. Full stop. Almost as if inspecting it. Full stop. One of the largest of the herd then took up a position at a corner of the granary and stood pounding the wall with its tusk. TUSKS. Full stop. Write your last answer. Your question is, how did the elephants show that they were unselfish and did things in an orderly manner? Write your answer. The elephants organized themselves into 4 groups and each groups come in one by one to eat their fill. 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 Full stop. One elephant stood at a distance as a sentinel. Full stop. Thereby everybody ate their fills. Okay, student? Write your homework. Read this sentence and answer this question. Okay, student? See your first question. He was sent there to check out what the people living there called the elephant menace. What is your first question? Who said this sentence and to whom? See your second. Who is he in this sentence? What did he do? See your third question. What was the elephant menace? You have to find out their answer, okay? See your B part. When it was tired, another took its place and then another, till several bricks gave away. See your first question. Who is it in this sentence? Second, why was it tired? Third, what did it want? Okay? See your thing and answer. Student, these two questions you have to write in your copy and you have to find out answer from your textbook or you can think it. Okay? Your first question is, if the elephants could talk, what do you think they would say to you, the forest officers? Write down your second question. Do you think elephants are violent by nature? You have to write down their answer in your copy. Okay, student? Now I will stop this class. Okay? Go wash your hand and be ready for your next class. Okay, students?